गोय हे पर्यटना खातीर सुरक्षीत स्थळ आसा. ज्या देशांनी कोरोना व्हायरसाची बाधा जाल्या तांचो प्रवेश आडायल्लो आसा. सध्याच्या स्थितीत जो देशभरांतलो पर्यटक भायर खंय सुटयेक वचपाक सोदता तो गोंयांत येतलो. मात संवसारभर जो हो कोरोनाचो विशाणू पसरता तो बंद जावपाची गरज आसा. गोंय सुरक्षीत आसा म्हूण मंत्री मायकल लोबो उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर आल्तीनच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
No, Goa is a safe tourist destination. A lot of tourists to come in. Today, Kalcha, as per yesterday's orders, we are very happy that all those countries who are infected, त्यांचे entry bond केल्ले आहा. म्हणजे visas have been stopped. So, ben म्हणजे थिंगासून आनी हे येवपाच्यो ना, flights येवपाच्यो ना आमच्या गोंयांत, इंडियेक. So, it is going to be like all those people who are infected will not be able to come over here. Because we are blessed again with this climate. आमची जी ह्युमिड क्लायमेट आहा, जी गरमी आहा, तितून ते स्प्रेड होईंक जायना अशें म्हणून सायंटिफीक रिजन तेणी कोट केल्ले आहा. सो इट इज लॉट ऑफ ट्युरिस्ट फ्रॉम इंडिया who wants to go elsewhere for holidays will cancel and come to Goa. So we are quite very happy that आमचे भितर ते उरतले म्हणून. पण ओवरऑल जे आख्खे वर्ल्डाक जो डिजीज स्प्रेड जायत आहा कोरोना व्हायरस तो बंद जावपाक जाय. तेज्या खातीर म्हाका दिसता WHO and all other health organizations are working on it. But as far as Goa is concerned, we are very safe, and according to me, nothing will stop the tourists from coming into Goa. All those countries, Italy, China आणि infected countries जे आहा, जो numbers increase जाला, तेंचे visa बंद जाल्ले.
So, but in India, we have found 2 positive.
No, they had come. No, that is why we have stopped. The Indian government has stopped the flights coming from there or visas जे उमके तारखेरसून visa दिल्ले ते बंद केल्ले.
No, but in Delhi, one person and another state, the 2 person have been found.
Earlier also we had found 3 positive, but they are being cured. So India is taking all required steps. Our Indian government, even in Goa, we have done arrangements for this. But according to me, with this weather, I don't think anybody can, this disease can spread, this virus can spread.
So any impact on tourism industry?
No, right now we are doing much better than before. Is only because people from India cannot travel to Thailand, cannot travel to China, cannot travel to Italy and other countries. So they are coming to Goa for holidays, and we have seen an increase in number of Indian tourists. We have seen increase in number of also foreign tourists. Let me be very frank. Because of this, they cannot travel in all those countries, so they are traveling over here. They are traveling to India, and from India they are coming to Goa. Goa is also one destination for the foreign tourists.